Hi, Dorit. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Haley and Margot, for asking us to do this. I'm Caroline Jansen. I've met Dorit in 1986 when they hired me as a therapist in their hand therapy clinic. He asked me to do some sayings, and I could maybe have some tears to it. Well, that's really not much for Dorit, I think. When she first hired me, she said, when you work here, you have a smile on your face at all times. Patients don't like to hear about your worries. They have their own. They like your smile. And it has been a good suggestion for all sorts of environments. You tried some sayings. Actually, when we first met, Dorit also was pregnant with Margot. And in the last 2 weeks, she was a little bit impossible maybe at home. So she came to the clinic, and maybe she was a little bit impossible in the clinic. She could almost not, she would almost fall over if she would pick something up from the floor. So I'm sure she was uncomfortable. But it worked well for me because I kept her busy, asked her to teach me to splint, and it has been very, very useful. Some sayings about therapy. I teach my patients, I try to cure my patients, is Dorit saying, and if I cannot cure them, I help them to live with what they have. Has been good advice all over for all sorts of situations. For myself, now that you are good, try to get fast. I'm still working on both of those. But thanks, Dorit, and thank you for always putting a challenge in front of my face. So now 60 is coming. There's many folks at the Hand Rehab Center, many hand therapists that wish you a good birthday. I wish you a good birthday for not only yourself, but Margot, Haley, your sister, in-laws, your mother, and everybody who's dear to you. You've given me so many gifts over the years. Also, you've always incorporated various facets of your life. So I have many gifts that come from your base to my base. Thank you so much, and happy birthday to all of you.